Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now we're just gonna get right into it just because I'm about to go to Best Buy to pick up something that I've been eyeing on for so long. I'm probably late to the game to get this anyway and to review it, but this is gonna be my reaction video to it and testing it out, so join me to buy this mystery item. I'm full of emotions right now. As you guys saw, I just got the DJI Mavic Mini quadcopter drone. It's a drone that's literally the size of your phone. Okay, so enough talking. I'm just gonna open this up. Oh, she's so beautiful. I haven't even opened her yet. I really want to open this now. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so we got like our little instructions here. It says driving is complex, flying is easy. And then we also got this little thing, which is the charging cable for it. And we also have, and it also comes with extra propellers, so that's good because if I crash this thing, oh god. Then also we got our instruction manuals just over here. And our little remote controller, oh my gosh. Oh. Feels sturdy too, like it feels like a toy. I know this isn't a toy. And finally, the piece de resistance. There's the drone itself. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. And it is basically like the size of a phone. Like, look at this. This is my iPhone X. And this is the Mavic Mini. My phone is bigger than this. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Now, this drone weighs about 249 grams, which makes this drone super easy to carry in your backpack or camera bag. And the best part, you don't have to register this drone under the FAA or get your drone certificate or license, but it depends on the location where you're flying. Now, what I love about this drone is that it can shoot up to 2.4K on video and capture photos at about 12 megapixels. This also has a 3-axis gimbal, which makes stabilizing footage much easier. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this to my phone. Oh my god. Oh, I see. Oh, I have to charge it. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we got these two charged. We're gonna try it out. And that was that. That was awesome. I can't wait to take this on many more trips and photos opportunities. So I'm very happy with this purchase, and I can't wait to record more videos for you guys like this. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram to see more photos and videos like this. See you guys real soon. Bye!